Alright, so I came up to the mountains and it's raining and foggy, so I'm gonna go out for a hike anyways. I'm at Crabtree Falls. There is a surprisingly quite a bit of people here, so I'm gonna get my hiking boots on and head out. Alright, I can hear it. It is very loud, and I'm hoping there's not many people there because of the rain today. The parking lot was full, but I haven't seen anyone on the trail yet except for one other couple. But take a look. I don't know if you can see it yet. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me, but